I am Alok Kumar Thakur from class 5.
Good afternoon to all of you, ma'am. Myself, Prithu Kumar from class 3.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Anisha Singh from class 6. Good afternoon to all of you. I am Anshul Kumar from class 4.
I am delighted to be part of this debate competition. I want to thank you for teacher giving this opportunity.
I am glad to be this debate competition. I want to thank my teachers to give me this opportunity. I am favoring village life.
Advanced and will acute involvement, people migrate, society life, people migrate because of better job opportunity, stability to city, because of better income, society life is better.
No, you are wrong because village also money through agriculture and manual labor pollution-free environment with scenic beauty, which are available in village areas. So village life is better.
No, I don't agree with you because village only it has a scenic beauty now. These people in cities have also started to maintain houses and neighborhood by planting three beautiful plants and flowers.
No, your point are baseless because village has a natural beauty and don't even need to decorate it manually. Unlike the village, the people of cities decorate everything artificial.
Artificially maintaining is expression and artificially maintaining is expression and is also then you few place cities have a use for a school, college, university, stability, hence the children get with proper quality which is better.
This is not right because village also government maintain schools, college, university which are helpful for children in their education and protect for village and then all for the cultures and defenses is that rural areas and units.
As we know that city life are very busy one and people usually don't time to rest and celebrate their culture. But it's not, we perform very culture and doing festival and holidays.
No village life get everything for less cost and very available, freshly available.
And everything in advance. City life are well equipped in advance. We get medical health, so city life is better.
I don't agree with you because village also have herbal medicines maintained, road, clean water, toilet, proper during system which are available through differences skips of village life is better. Thank you so much. Respected sir, director, principal, teacher and all my dear friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Roshan Kumar. Good afternoon to all of you. I am Riya Mehta. I did in class 3. I am going to say something about the Hindi poem. सबसे प्यारी सबसे न्यारी हिंदी है राष्ट्रभाषा हमारी, हमको लगती सबसे प्यारी हिंदी है पहचान हमारी, कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी हिंदी हिंदी दिवस की भाषा प्रस्तुत करने जा रही है। हमारे देश में लगभग 22 अनुसूचित भाषाएं हैं जो अलग अलग राज्यों में बोली जाती है। इनमें से हिंदी हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा है जो बिहार, छत्तीसगढ़, हरियाणा, पंजाब आदि राज्यों में मुख्य रूप से हिंदी बोली जाती है। 14 सितंबर 1949 को हिंदी को राष्ट्रभाषा घोषित किया गया, इसलिए हम लोग 14 सितंबर को हिंदी दिवस मनाते हैं। इस दिन स्कूल, कॉलेज तथा अन्य शिक्षण संस्थानों पर हिंदी दिवस से संबंधित कुछ प्रतियोगिता आयोजन किया जाता है। बहुत से सरकारी दस्तावेजों पर हिंदी भाषा का प्रयोग होता है। हिंदी एक इंडो आर्यन भाषा है जो देवनागरी लिपि में भारत के आधिकारिक भाषाओं में से एक के रूप में सभी के साथ हिंदी दिवस पर हिंदी भाषा देने जा रहा हूँ। हिंदुस्तान के शान है।
Good afternoon. First of all, I like to thank teachers, principal, and the institution for giving me such a huge respect. And today, on this auspicious day, Hindi Divas. Well, everyone knows better about Hindi Divas, so I'm not going to say anything about that. But just I want to say do whatever you want, do hard work, study, and make your parents proud.